Guys, welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you how to view deleted messages on WhatsApp. You know, there are sometimes that someone will send you a message and the person delete the message before you can view it or something like that. So in this video you are going to know how to view that message. And to make that work, we're going to be using an app called Notification History. You're going to download the app on Play Store. It's in the description below. And I'll show you how this app works and how to use it to view deleted messages on WhatsApp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'm going to show you how this works. I will use two phones so you can see how it possibly works. Okay, so now I'm going to show you an example of how this app can work. The first thing you need to do is go to Play Store. Then download Notification History.
After the installation is complete, you open the app.
Allow the app to have access to notification on your WhatsApp and also allow the app to have administrator access to your apps. So I'm going to send a message from my first phone to the second one. From the time of installation, the app has recorded your notification as they come in. The Notification History app have also saved the message. So as you can see, I've received the message on my second phone. Okay, so let me go back to my first phone and delete the message I sent. And as you can see, the message has been deleted. So let me go back to the second phone, and when I check it, you can see also the message has been deleted here. Okay, so let me go back to the Notification History and see if the message has been truly saved on the app. And when I open the app, I see the message that I just received from WhatsApp. But before you get very excited, the app has some flaws. Well, the app only stores notification for about 4 hours. And also, you can only retrieve messages that came with notification. Because messages sent to an already open chat cannot be retrieved using this method. Well, but apart from the disadvantages, I know this app is very important. Because you can use it to view someone's deleted messages and even screenshot it. I know we have all been in a situation where we want to view the message deleted by someone. So I hope this app saved the day for you. Some of you might be wondering if the app works for iPhones, but unfortunately the app doesn't exist on Apple Store, so it can't work for iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends you know who's going to need to watch this video. More and more videos coming up. Thanks for watching.